Hi.
Hello, how are you today? I hope you're good.
Yes, of course, I am doing great. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. So let me share my screen. Okay, and let's get right into it.
Okay.
Okay, you can see, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So my entire problem began when I noticed this issue here. Okay. During this period, I filtered it out for September 3. During this period, I was using WeTracked. Okay.
Okay.
Take a look. I had this campaign on, okay, and all of these. As you can see, I have one sale here, 8 sales here, one sale here, and one sale here. So
Yes.
that's a total of 11 sales, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And here I have an engagement WhatsApp campaign, which its only goal is to get me messages. So this currently is irrelevant. Okay. If I come to my Shopify store, okay, on September 3, you can see from all channels I have 11 sales. So it's matching, correct?
Yes.
Okay. But from my online store, okay, I have 4 sales. And from other means the draft orders which I input manually, okay, it's 7.
Yes.
Let me explain a bit. Other is the orders that come through WhatsApp. So every single message here, I got 31 messages. From these 31 messages, I was able to close 7 sales. So from these 31 messages, I got 7 sales, which I manually drafted in Shopify, and they're here. And they're here under the other. And from my online website, I got 4. So it's a total of 7 sales draft orders from my messaging campaigns and 4 orders from my website.
Yes.
Here, as you can see, it's telling me I have 11 sales from these campaigns, and all of these campaigns which have sales 1, 1, 8, and 1, all of these direct traffic to my website. Okay, so from all of these campaigns except this one, the messages, it should display 4, not 11. And from these 31 messages, okay, I have 7 sales. So the main issue sparked here. I directly contacted WeTracked and told them that this is my issue. They asked me, do draft orders come under the orders tab? Do draft orders come under the orders tab here? I told them yes. So they told me, then that's the issue. Every single order that comes, that is in the orders tab, we get it and we send it back to Facebook. Okay? You
Okay.
completely understand everything that's happening, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So they told me every single order which comes here, we send it back to Facebook. The main issue is that this is like a WeTrack representative talking to me. Imagine we have a spreadsheet we need to fill with every single order. Okay, you have 11 orders. We need to send every single info which directly correlates to this order. So for example, this order, we need to put the name, the email, and the source. They can't leave the source empty. So they told me the source they put is my website. My website is waadskin.com. This is my website. Okay. So the source they put is this one. So once they send these 11 orders, for example, back to Facebook with the source as my website, Facebook comes and looks. Okay, this destination is the website. This destination is the website. This destination is the website. Engagement WhatsApp isn't the website. Okay, it sends traffic directly to WhatsApp, and this is the website as well, and this is the website as well. So the main issue is that Facebook is reading these orders and seeing the source as my website, and it's allocating these sales to these campaigns. So it's properly tracking, but it's false tracking.
Okay.
Okay, is
Okay.
it clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so a solution they came up with was to turn off the reporting of draft orders. I gave them access to my Shopify. They told me every single draft order you place, we will not send back to Facebook. Okay, so then after that, my sales were a bit accurate. Okay, let's
Okay.
say I had 10 sales, 8 through my website and 2 through draft, I would see 8 sales here. Okay, so my tracking was a bit better, but I wasn't really happy with WeTracked, so I wanted to turn it off and test Conversions API because I never ever tested without WeTracked. So I wanted to test while WeTracked was turned off. So let me show you, for example, okay, yesterday. Yesterday, that's 24 September. Okay, I have 9 orders yesterday. I have from my online store 4, and from other, I have 5. So 5 from WhatsApp, which is basically draft orders, okay, and 4 from my online store, okay. So Facebook should show me 4. As you can see here, take a look. This is my website. I have 4, 2, and 2. So there's something wrong with my tracking, okay? And moreover, I have an issue, which is my link clicks versus my landing page views. Take a look. So neglect 71, okay, because the 71 is from the WhatsApp, okay, neglect it. So I have a total of 236 minus 70. Okay, I have 166 link clicks. Okay, so let's take a look here. Website landing page views. I have 70 for that's 24 September. Okay, take a look. I have 99 sessions. Okay, let's take a look at a previous date. Let's take, for example, 19. Okay, 19, 111. I have 67 sessions here.
Yes.
Okay, I think there's something wrong with my tracking overall, and I'm paying a premium for the sessions. Like it doesn't really make sense for me to spend, let's say, $100 and get 60 sessions on Shopify. Like for me to spend $100 on Facebook daily and get 60 sessions, something isn't really adding up. Let me show you. For example, take a look at September 3. September 3, I had WeTrack turned on. Look at the difference between this and this. It's insane.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I told WeTracked about this issue here, and they told me we're gonna put our code in the theme directly, which they did. And for example, take a look at 12. Okay, the ratio is now better. Okay, as you can see, 230 versus 113, but we need to remove 70. So let's say
Yes.
160 versus 113. So the ratio improved once WeTracked put their code directly in my theme. Okay,
Okay.
but recently, since I turned off WeTracked, we're back to the same issue. Link clicks versus landing page views. There's a big difference here, and with the problem of the sessions, as you can see here, 23 September, I have 42 landing page views versus here. Like, as you can see, this is a bit confusing to me. Like, I don't really understand what's happening. My data is all over the place. I'm very confused. So currently, I have WeTrack turned off because someone recently told me, "Did you ever try running meta ads without WeTracked?" I told him, "No, never." He told me, like, why try to fix an issue where there isn't an issue to begin with? I told him, like, you're right. Like, I shouldn't have implemented WeTrack without testing Meta's tracking by itself. Because also WeTrack is a subscription and it's an additional cost. So, like, why would I incur an additional cost on me when I don't really need it? So I think I explained everything here. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, then first of all, I will review your tracking system through Google Tag Manager and your analytics. Then we can understand what is the main problem in your website or meta ads.
All right. All right, deal. So I'm gonna give you access on the email you sent me, and
Yes,
we'll proceed
I
from there.
emails I send you email by picture because we could not share any personal email before creating a contract offer. That's why I send you
Yes,
picture.
yes, I know that. So I'll be giving you access shortly once we finish the meeting, and once access is given on all three platforms,
Yes.
I'll inform you so we can get straight to work. And if there's an issue, so we can solve it ASAP.
Okay. First of all, I audit your website, your Shopify website. Then I audit your business manager and your Google Tag Manager. When I find an issue, and I will inform you, then we can fix it.
All right, amazing.
Okay.
Amazing. So, like I told you, once I've given you access, I'll send you directly. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We'll talk soon. Bye bye.
Bye.